I just want to say that something amazing happened yesterday. Some person that's an artist who doesn't even know me, who just watches me on social media and stuff, freaking sent me $100 in my PayPal because he believes in what I'm doing and he is an artist and he knows the struggle. And I just want to say, all of the support, just you watching this video, just you caring and having an interest in what I'm doing, it means everything to me. And I don't know how to thank this person. Honestly, that was probably that is the coolest thing a random stranger has ever done for me. But yeah, well, besides Aram giving me this opportunity. But yeah, just wanted to say, I don't know, if I'm not gonna say the person's name or anything, but just a shout out for believing in me that. I spent all my time by myself, so it means a lot to know that someone really thinks what I'm doing is cool. So thank you, you're amazing. Hey there, I am at Second Chance in Nampa, and I just wanted to kind of show you guys what kind of stuff is available here, so you could see that just with a little bit of imagination you can create anything you want out of stuff that is leftover, and there's an abundance of everything everywhere. So don't ever think that you don't have enough money, or you don't have enough time, or you don't have enough resources or whatever. Everything is available to you. You just have to learn how to get it. And most importantly, you have to work. Working, doing, get used to it. It's fun. You can make it fun. That's the lie, is that it has to suck. No, it doesn't. It should be awesome, because it's what you do to live. And living should be awesome as much as possible. So yeah, I just want to see if Jeff will let me just kind of film the place a little bit, and yeah, show you how it's done. I also want to say, I get a lot of my resources from thrift stores, and if I can, I get off Craigslist. I haven't gotten a ton of stuff donated, but it's probably just because I'm not quite sure how to ask for things. But yeah, I do need help. I do need resources sometimes. But I try to do it on my own as much as possible. A really cool thing we have here in Boise, and I know they have one in Portland. I'm sure they have them everywhere, but I call it the bins. A lot of people call it the bins. And it's basically the thrift store outlet where the stuff from the thrift store that doesn't get sold goes to die. So if it doesn't get bought, it goes to the dump. So you could buy it in bulk, and you can get lots of weird materials and cool stuff, really cool stuff actually, if you don't mind sifting through a bunch of garbage and hanging out with a bunch of weird people. Bring gloves and proceed with caution. But I personally think that kind of stuff is fun, super fun, finding treasures. Yeah. But yeah, new stuff is super rad too. I just think it's expensive, and why work harder? Or I mean, I guess it's all work, but why spend more money on stuff that everyone else has? The whole idea behind what I do in art and with this project and everything really is to be different, to create something that has never been seen before, or make my own version of what has already been done or seen before. Just be different, life's way more interesting when there's people doing different things and not just doing what they think they should. I think that everyone's life increases and improves when we all put our own spin on things and our own version. And it just takes you know, a little bit of courage and like not really giving a fuck what anybody else thinks about you. That's the number one thing, is like stop caring immediately. And yeah, go from there. But anyways, I'm gonna take you in here. I'm done ranting for now. Yeah. Hell yeah. Here we go. Okay, so I am here in Second Chance, and this is basically my favorite place to source materials. This is all stuff that has been donated by people that, you know, are moving or did a big project and had a bunch of leftover materials, and it just makes stuff available to anyone who wants to work on projects, and you don't have to pay the hardware store prices for good stuff. You can find some really high quality stuff. And for me, like, I love finding stuff like this, like, oh, this is awesome. Like, where else am I gonna find something that has like white and gold flakes in it? Totally what I'm looking for. And retro. But yeah, there's new and used stuff. And oh, look at this table. That is adorable. Oh man. But yeah, I need to not look at furniture because I still am in the middle of working on the actual construction. But there's just so much good stuff here. So I'll show you, they have their little blinds section, and the wood blinds, these are the ones I got. So I got a couple packs of these, and this is what I have done to work on the whole ceiling. And luckily they had a whole bunch of them. So, yeah. And these are $8 a piece. And they also have everything, basically. Bath stuff, windows, trim. I've been getting a bunch of paint here. Like, this is where I'm gonna get my body mirror. They have everything. And that just goes to show you, like, if you just do a little bit of research, you can find, like, anything, really. But yeah, Second Chance.